ça que fait comme nous y est. Moi dans la caille, Ok, moi dans la caille, moi arrivé dans la caille. Moi je fais un travail, ok, moi c'est très fatigué. Kounia, moi allez faire prank, ok, pour créer la vibes. Ça c'est iPhone box là, ok, iPhone box. Moi gain. Moi gain ça. Ok, regardez ça. Ok, moi gain ça, ça c'est pregnant test. Ok, ça c'est like from Creola Vibes. But she pas connaît, ok, pas connaît ça belongs to her, ok. Regardez guys, moi gain ça. Moi gain iPhone box là, ok. So moi allez mettre ça, ok. Let me see guys, so let me just show you. So, moi je mettre ça, ok, regardez, ok. So moi dans la caille, moi arrivé dans la caille, ok. Okay, y'all listen inside. Okay. We're gonna cover. Okay. So, ça c'est Kado. Okay, un client dans la job là, so give to me, okay? Ça c'est Kado. Okay guys, moi dans la caille, okay? Moi arrivé dans la caille, okay? Moi arrivé dans la caille. Moi arrivé dans la caille, okay? Moi arrivé dans la caille, okay, okay? Moi dans la caille, okay? Get it. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, got it. Get inside. Get it. Let me open the room. Yeah. Get it, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna guy. Ready for it? Let me set up the camera, okay? Let me take the camera right here, okay? That's it.
Hi, baby. How are you doing?
I'm good.
So you came here to let me know?
I just got here now. Ali, let me
Come
give
sit
Dad a
with
hug.
Daddy.
Let me give Dad a hug. Come. You don't want to give Dad a hug? No? I miss you, okay? Daddy miss you so much.
You miss Daddy?
I miss you. You miss Daddy? You miss Daddy?
Thank you, Lily.
Good job. Good job. Good girl, okay?
How was your
Good
day?
girl. It was good, so I'm très fatigué. I was busy. A lot of customer today. I'm
Yeah,
customer.
you look tired.
Yeah, I'm tired. So how was your day? So everything's good? I didn't give you a time?
She gave me hard time every day.
Every day?
Every day she gave me hard.
Oh, okay.
You see, I have a lot of bones.
Yeah, so you have a lot of bones, huh? Maybe it's the baby. Yeah, it's the baby. I'm tired and I want to sleep so bad. shower.
Yeah. After I will give you a massage, okay?
Okay, so let me take a shower.
Yeah, go. Yeah, what's wrong?
What's wrong with it?
You want something to eat? What should I give to her? I don't know.
I'll give her something.
You want popcorn?
No, I'm giving her something else.
Chips? Okay.
Hey. I give you food, you drop on the floor?
Ben,
Yeah?
can you come here, please?
Yeah? Whatever.
Come. What is this?
Oh, this is a gift. Someone gifted me at work. A lady, like I sold to her, give her a good discount, so she gave it to me at work. There's a gift.
It's a gift?
Yeah, she says a Christmas gift, but I don't know what it is. I didn't open yet.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me watch TV.
Alright.
Okay. Can you bring me my phone, please? Babe?
Yeah?
Can you bring me my phone? Please.
No. What?
Go eat chips. Go. My phone. Thank you. Go eat all that. Sit down. Sit to eat. Sit down, okay? Mm.
All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Oh, un téléphone. Semblou um telefone. Mira. Qui est-ce qui va faire le téléphone ça? On travaille avec le téléphone. Bon, ouvre pour moi. Ouvre pour moi. Qui téléphone ça? What? Hey, qui ça? Non. Mbaka kwa Samuela. New pregnancy test. So, Kado gen enfant enceinte pour lui. So, moi enceinte là, Kado gen enfant enceinte pour lui. Dans travail là. C'est vrai? Non. Temtan ni vini. Temrele. Temtan ni vini. Baka enceinte pour bon l'autre femme enceinte pour. Ça veut dire. Non. Temrele moi il a enfant. À la déco. Hello, mommy. Comment est? Voilà, où tu habites? Comment tu bagailles? D'accord? Muy bien, está bien. Ok. Ok, tu lo pones otro. Ok. Mami, on saisit mon bon là, oui? Ça veut se travail. Li vin avec un cadeau là, je dis au monde qui n'a pas de baril, sur les mouvements cadeau. Et moi pense que son téléphone, parce que moi son boîte téléphone. Sur les mouvements cadeau, je pense que son téléphone. Et les gars dans le boîte téléphone, qui ça me fait moi un test. On peut faire un petit test, moi dans le boîte téléphone. So kwenye la ben la mapten vina, sa la di. Comment faire une balle de test on the boîte téléphone là. Et puis tu viens travailler yo balé. So ça veut dire là, ça veut dire on commence à faire un travail là. Non, vraiment c'est dit. Oui, moi il m'a pas demandé. Oh, exactement, il m'a demandé. Oui. Exactement, oui, exactement. So, si on va une cité, ça veut dire que les femmes enceinte plus de travail là. Oui. Il va comme explication. So, il va le temps. Il va le coup là, là, pour l'expliquer. Oh. Quel chaud là, quel chaud. Oui, ma petite fini. Ok, eh bien, ok, maman. Ok, n'a pas les talents. Ok. Ouais. Ok. Ala de causer, me enceinte, me fait cancer, qu'on est là, pour pas me bon l'autre femme, tant que pour y entrer là. Non, on peut pas faire ça. Non, on peut pas faire ça. Mais
Hey, Lily!
are you done?
You're playing with my phone? Yes, I'm not. What's going on?
So what is this? What
Ah,
is
it's
this?
go-
No.
What's going on?
Sit down. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
What happened?
Don't touch me.
Huh? What happened? What happened? Give me another.
What happened? You know what happened? Open your gift. Hey.
Hey, my gift is already open. This is already
So
open.
what is this? What is this thing?
I think it's a gift for your customer as well.
Gift from customer.
Yeah.
So you have another girl packing for you, right?
What?
Open your gift. And don't ask to it. Don't start to ask to it. So because I'm already not good. What is
this?
Hey, first you cherche là. What is this?
What is this?
What is this? What is this? You need to tell me what is this. So you have another girl pregnant for you.
No, what do you mean?
What you mean? Somebody give it to you at work, so what you mean? And then it's a girl, so she's pregnant for you. This is what I'm what is this?
No, I think you changed this thing.
What
Where's the
is
phone?
What is this?
Where's the phone?
What I changed? So what
Where's the phone?
This is my phone. What you mean?
No, it's supposed to be
This
a
is
phone
what
inside.
when I open the box, this is what I see inside of the box. It's a pregnancy test. What you mean?
No, it's supposed to be a phone inside. Right? Supposed to be a phone. Where's the phone?
It's a pregnancy test, it's not a phone. So this is what she have for you. She's pregnant, she wanna surprise you, she put it inside. So what you mean?
I don't know.
You don't know, you know? Me I know.
I don't really know.
So tell me, start telling me.
No, I don't have other woman.
You have another girl? What
No.
you mean?
No.
What you mean no?
I don't have.
Okay, what is this? If you don't
I
have
don't
another
know.
girl? Don't act stupid right now.
Come on.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
Come on, it's just me and you and Aliyah. Come on.
Yeah.
Aliyah, come here.
Don't touch me. You have another girl. Don't touch me. Watch me.
Come on.
Come on, what?
It's me and Aliyah. Come on.
Don't touch me.
Come
You need
on.
to tell me what is this? What is this?
Come on.
What is
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know,
What
man.
is this?
I don't know. I'm
You
serious,
don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Okay, a lady just gifted me at work as a gift because
Okay,
I helped her
how
many
come a lady
times.
give it to you at work? Your pregnancy test, eh? What you have with her? She give you a pregnancy.
Okay, but how come a pregnant test came instead of $500?
No, I don't know. You need to tell me. You with the lady that what happened. So what
Come
what
on,
you?
come on, come on, come
Tell me
on.
what's going on.
Come here.
Come on, what?
Come.
No.
Come.
No, I'm not gonna take this one.
Come.
I'm pregnant.
Come here,
I'm
come here,
pregnant and you have
come
another
on, you my
baby.
girl, you my girl. Come on,
Leave
come
me
on.
alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Hey. Look up.
Leave me alone.
Look
Leave
at
me
that.
alone.
Look out
Leave me
there.
alone.
Look
Leave
at
me
that.
alone.
Look at that.
You gonna what?
Look at that.
What?
Madame Mwen écrasée, Madame Mwen.
Ça va en point.
Madame Mwen très full.
Dis ça son point. Elles sont commencées à me chaud là. Est-ce qu'elles sont
I told you guys, I'll make her go crazy full, so. Team Fabio, okay?
What you mean?
Hey, come here, say Team
Toi,
Fabio.
c'est là. On va faire mauvaise.
No,
I'm crying and you make
say
me
Team
nervous.
Fabio,
Come on,
say
you're not
Team
good.
Fabio, Team
I cannot
Fabio.
get mad.
Team Fabio, go ahead, say
Because
Team
I'm
Fabio.
bragging.
Team Fabio. I'm thanking man, come on, it's
Team
just me
Fabio,
and Aliyah.
Team
Come on.
Fabio.
Come on, I love you. Come on, just me and Aliyah, okay? Okay?
Alright, Team Fabio.
Bye guys. Make sure abonne channel là, okay? Make sure abonne channel là, okay? And visit Jerusalem Discount Furniture to buy beautiful and pile très joli furniture, okay? Bye bye. Merry Christmas.